Hi guys, we are currently here inside Alishan National Park and today's temperature is 14 degrees. Medyo mahirap huminga kasi nasa mataas na area na tayo. Medyo hinahabol ko yung hininga ko guys kasi nasa mataas na area na talaga tayo and yun, super lamig. So guys, yung kanina nating pinuntahan na pinakita ko sa inyo, miyembro lang pala yun ng Sisters Ponds. Andito yung isa. So, hindi ko alam kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, pero yun yung isa, tas meron dito isa pa. So, sila yung Sisters and the Ponds. Sa inyo kanina, yun yung younger sister sa Sisters Ponds and itong isa naman ay yung elder sister. So, hindi sila magkadikit pero magkalapit lang sila and they are the Sisters Ponds. And now, papunta naman tayo sa Magnolia Garden. Yun yung next stop after the Sisters Ponds. Today is around 14 degrees.
We have three kinds.
So super lamig talaga ngayon.
Three kind of color of magnolia tree here. White, purple, and dark red. Still the beginning of their season, so you can see the white